Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. In previous we discussed lesson 1 food. Your body needs different food substances for doing different things. These are nutrients. These nutrients based on the work followed by different types. First one is carbohydrates. Second one proteins. Third one vitamins and minerals. Fourth one fats. Fifth one represent water. Okay, these having different works. Carbohydrates, it gives quick energy to our body. Proteins, it build up our body. Vitamins and minerals, it protects from against diseases. This vitamins, minerals helps to build up our body. Fats, it also gives energy, but carbohydrates gives energy giving foods. Fats also energy giving foods. This gives quick energy. Carbohydrates, fats stored in our body for future use. Sometimes we are not taking food that time. Our body fat utilize it to release energy for metabolic activities. Surface and water. This is very important. This surface helps to throw out waste from the body, and this surface helps in digestion, free bowel movement. Surface requires for ladies 35 to 45 grams. Men's require 40 to 50 grams. 40 to 50 grams. This surface helps in to control cortisol. Cortisol is the main stress hormone. We are doing so many hard works. Sometimes we feel so much stress. We will take fiber contains food items. It contains the cortisol. It stress hormone. It helps in our body to fit and healthy. We will be very happy. This is about the surface. And water we should take 3 liters per day. Water we should take 3 liters per day. This water is very important. It helps to absorb nutrients, and it helps in digestion. Our body weight is water. 3/4 our body weight is water. Our blood, flesh, tissues all contains water. This is all about the types of nutrients, and we discussed diet. Every day we are taking food, that is our diet. Here balanced diet. Means all the nutrients in the right quantities is called balanced diet. Next we discussed cooked food. Some food items we are eaten raw, that is raw food, like fruits, vegetables like cucumber, carrot, lettuce we are eaten raw. Some food items we are cooked like rice, vegetables, etc. food items. What is the use of cooked food? It makes soft and tasty and helps in digestion. That's why we are cook the food. Then it kills the microbes in the food items. That's why we are cooking the food. It helps in digestion. Main purpose is the helps in digestion to kill the microbes in the food items. It gives good taste, soft to the body food. This is about the cooked food. Raw food and cooked food. When we are taken raw food and cooked food, some of the instructions are there. First of all, we should do raw food like fruits, vegetables, carrot, cucumber, lettuce. We should wash properly. Any dust, germs, microbes are there, means it will be removed. Otherwise, we will take like that. It will enter in our body. It may harms to our body. We will get some problems. Okay, about the food when we are taken raw food that time. Next, cooked food. Some vegetables we are cutting. Afterwards, we are some people are washing. What happen? It means in that nutrients will be gone. And that's why some of the nutrients will be lost. We should wash vegetables. Afterwards, we will cut and cook the food is very good. Then here one more instruction, we should use sufficient amount of water. We are using more water, the food will be not good. Why? Because in that nutrients all will be evaporated. We are applying heat while cooking, that time we are applying heat, that time in this all nutrients will be evaporated. We have to use sufficient water. Then here sufficient water we should use. Next, don't be overcooked. Don't be overcooked. Don't be overcooked. Why? Because in that food items, nutrients will be lost. Don't be overcooked. Okay. Then first we should wash. Then after we should cut the fruits, whatever it may be, vegetables. Then it's good. We will consume all the nutrients in the food item. This is about the raw food and cooked food. Next one is the preserving food. Next one is the preserving food. This is the preserving food. Very important. Cooking food, how much importance, at the same time preserving food also very important. When we are preserve food, we have to follow some of the measures to preserve the food. We kept the food in outside for a long time. What it will be happen? For example, you have to observe. You take one bread slice and you put on table. After 2-3 days, you notice some of the rust will form. Okay, that is nothing but fungus. Microbes are growing. Okay, that food we will take, whatever it may be, rotten food, spoiled food we will take, we will get some health issues, health problems. Okay, so we have to preserve the food. How we can preserve the food? Here are some of the ways to preserve the food. Here, first one is the refrigeration. Refrigeration. Here we are keeping on food in refrigerator. We kept on food in refrigerator. Here, what is the use of refrigerator? It slow down the microbial growth. Slow down the microbial growth. That's why we should kept on food in refrigerator. Next, then few days we will use that as food item. Next one is the using preservatives. Using preservatives. When we kept in food, using preservatives. What are preservatives? Like sugar, salt, oil, vinegar. These are the preservatives. When we are using preservatives, that food will be good. Later we can use that food item. Why? Because we are using preservative, that food will not spoil. Why? Because it slows down the microbial growth. It gives good color, texture, taste to the food item. Like jams, Priya.